Words with the same spelling but different meaning and pronunciation in Igbo language. Oke, male. Oke, boundary. Oke, share or portion. Oke, rat. Azụ, fish. Azụ, back. Isi, head. Isi, blindness. Isi, to cook. Isi, smell. Akwa, egg. Akwa, bed. Akwa, cloth. Akwa, cry. Ire, tongue. Ire, effective. Ire, to sell. Ire, to tax.